Mirchi Music Awards, alright. Mirchi Music Awards, at time.
রেডিও মির্চি 98.3 FM it's hot আমি মির্চি অয়ন্তিকা রেড কার্পেটে দাঁড়িয়ে রেড হট ফিল করছি এই মুহূর্তে অফকোর্স দি অনলি রিজন ইজ আমার সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে দ্য ভেরি বিউটিফুল দ্য ভেরি গর্জিয়াস Vidya I to breathe Balan yes and this is Royal Stag Mirchi Music Awards Bangla powered by Idea Vidya every time you're here for Mirchi you somehow associate with the brand associate with the people around immediately what is the secret of your memory because you came in and you told me Arey I've met you I've met her and I know you so what's the secret of your memory
because firstly Bengali women are like mirchis yeah red hot and importantly I meet you guys from Mirchi whenever I come to Kolkata so I know y'all not always by name because we don't spend enough time but yeah you'll have pretty faces how can one forget and Kolkata is Kolkata yeah it's home
whenever somebody would come to Kolkata he or she would inevitably talk about Rasgulla, the sweetness and the culture and Rabindranath music and all of that but truly speaking Vidya I want something else from you what makes you think that Bangalis and the entire Bengali fraternity the whole culture is different from other places where you visit and go often
you know that's very unfair because I love Bengal I like everything Bengali I keep saying Ami mon theke Bangali so I'm going to be biased towards everything Bengali people my work life brought me to Kolkata for the first time I came here on an ad film that I was doing with Pradeep Sarkar and then I did a music video with him here and I shot my first film Bhalu Theko and then Porinita and then you know I've Kahani I've played other Bengali characters like in Bhool Bhulaiya I can't describe what I feel for Kolkata, what Kolkata has given me over the years. So much love. I know everyone who comes to Kolkata must be feeling like that. That's what sets, Kolkata Bengalis apart from everyone else because वो दिल खोल के सबका स्वागत करते हैं. तो मुझे तो लगता है कि सिर्फ मेरा करते हैं पर सभी का करते होंगे. पर मेरा थोड़ा ज़्यादा है ना. Okay. मैं खुश हूँ. So I love the music, it's a culturally rich place. Calcutta is in a time warp in a nice way, Of course, it's a progressive society, but having said that, it has an old world charm, So, and I feel like maybe in another life I lived here. There's no other explanation for the way I feel towards Kolkata. And for the way Kolkata feels about me, may I add.
Absolutely. So coming to music, who is the most melodious right now in the contemporaries? People who've been singing for you, people with whom you've been working over the years. According to you, who's that one singer who is absolutely melodious?
I think Shreya Ghoshal undoubtedly. Firstly, congratulations Shreya. She's just gotten married. She's an extremely versatile singer, but more importantly, she touches your heart. वो दिल से गाती है. Then of course, I think Shantanu Moitra's music, though he's not a singer, I'd like to add here that I love his music. It's got melody. Again, it's got that touch of a time gone by.
Okay. So one song you would like to, you quite often sing when you're sad. What's that?
जाओ पाखी बोलो हवा चलो चलो आप छाया जानलार কাছ আমি কি আমাকে হারিয়েছি বাকে রূপ কথা আনাচে কানাচ
How lovely.
Thank you but I genuinely love that song
Okay.
I keep telling Rahul Boski I wish I was in that song and not you.
Okay, so one song you listen to and then you're immediately up for partying and all of that.
I'm never up for partying.
Okay.
No. But I think an all-time favorite song is Jai Jai Shiv Shankar.
Okay.
I love that song from Aapki Kasam. It just makes me happy. It makes me want to dance. It makes me want to sing. It makes me want to run. I love the energy of that song. That's a very happy song for me. And one more song. There's Ibn Battuta from Ishqiya. And okay, now fourth song It's not a very fast number, but Beeti Na Bitaye Rehna. I love that song. It just stirs me the way that nothing else does.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.